Yeah, here's a little story about a little boy, always good at school. His mama raised him proper.
How beautiful to see your artwork animated. Motion design is like a wonderful magic world. Welcome again to Z Art's Motion Design World. Hi, with Z Arts again. Today I will make a simple tutorial. The animated dancing robot. First, you can download the project file from the link in the description for free to follow the steps. Don't forget it's a free After Effects file. You will find 8 layers, the shadow, the body parts, 5 layers, the bright background, and the circles. It's so beneficial. The tutorial is separated into 4 main parts. The dancing actions, the shadow, the animated circles, the bright background. So let's start with the first part, the dancing actions. For this part, I will animate the robot's body parts. First of all, I will make the robot foot, stroke without fill. Now, I will add the noise. Layer styles. Inner shadow. Adjusts the values. For the values, distance 32. Angles 0 plus 177. Size 32. Noise 13. As you see, I will animate the foot so. Contents. Shape. Path. I will change the path form over time. The same steps to animate the other body parts. When you will use stroke path. Animate the feet. Change the foot stroke path form from the current time position to another time position. The same steps to animate the other body parts when you use the stroke path. Now when you want to animate the rectangle or the ellipse shapes in general. Contents. Rectangle. Convert to a Bezier path. Path 1. Path. Change the rectangle form over the time positions. Wow, this my animating dancing robot actions. But, what about the rotation of the small squares? To make the animated squares in the center of the robot body, I will use the griddler effect. As the griddler effect values. Tile size 10,9. Rotation 0 plus 130. To resume. In this tutorial, I explain how to make a direct character animation. Using the stroke path in the shapes like ellipse, rectangles or square using the Bezier path. Also, I explained how to use the griddler effect. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. For the other parts. The shadow, the animated circles, the bright background. I will explain ID in the next tutorial. Thank you for your watching.